Well, hello everyone. I hope that you can hear me. I'm about to go live. I'm doing a screen share now, and this training is a bonus training in addition to my internet marketing bootcamp training. And I'm going to show you guys how I use my landing pages, what is a landing page, how I use my autoresponders and why do I use them, how do I use a blog, and why do I use my blog. First thing we're going to jump right into, once again, my name is Barry J. Solomon, and I want to congratulate you guys for being here tonight and getting on this hangout and letting me show you and walk you through some of my processes on what I use to, how I create income on the internet, and how you can also use it and apply it in your own business. And it doesn't matter what business you're in, it doesn't matter what niche you're in, it doesn't matter if you're in a network marketing company, and it doesn't matter if you're if you sell flowers for a living in a brick and mortar business. You can use these strategies to actually create extra income for your business. So let's jump right into this. This is what I use. It's called a landing page or a squeeze page in the internet marketing world, and I'm pretty sure some of you may have seen these before. This particular company is called Lead Pages, and one of the reasons why I chose Lead Pages for my squeeze pages and for my landing pages is because of this video background. Most people use a background here that is just a still background. This is actually one of my landing pages that I'm using now, and if you hit publish, I can actually view that page, and this is what it looks like to someone on the internet. This is what it looks like. Let me close that out. And you might ask, why would someone use a landing page? So if you have your own business, and it doesn't matter what business you are in, you might ask, well, why does someone need to use a landing page? Well, what a landing page does is it gets people where you can enter, it gets people's attention where you can enter their email address here. They can enter a valid email address, and you can collect that person's email because they showed an interest in your business. And this writing actually here can say, it can say whatever you want it to say as it pertains to your business. And there's actually a separate training that goes into detail called the Internet Traffic Formula, and it goes into detail all about these types of landing pages and squeeze pages and what the purpose of them are, how to use it, how to do the wording, because the wording is actually psychological, a lot of it. Let me show you a couple of examples really quick before I move on. Password. Actually, let me go back. Logs you out after a certain amount of time. Let me go to this one. Here's another one I use called, this one is called Megaphone. It's another one of my pages that I use. Another example. Same writing, enter your name and an email, and has a nice picture. It's a feel-good picture, has a beach, and there's a background. You always want to use a feel-good background, something that's bright, something that has someone smiling on it, something that's a sunset. And the reason why I use landing pages, or the reason why you want to use a landing page is because let's say you are an affiliate marketer, for example, and you are marketing other people's products. Here's what happens when you're in affiliate marketing. You have thousands of people marketing the same landing pages, the same squeeze pages for that particular company or that particular product. And what happens is people on the internet start to become familiar with that landing page because so many affiliates are marketing that page. So if you learn how to create your own page with your own wording, then you stand out from the other marketers that are marketing that other page that everyone else is using. You create your own page, collect your own names and email addresses, start building your own list for your business, and that way you can start building your own list of and have your own pool of people to market to, where you can send them emails on a daily basis or a weekly basis, however you want to run your business. Here's another thing, here's another nugget that a lot of you out there might not know. So if you're an affiliate marketer and you're marketing someone else's product, so they give you a banner and you market that banner on the internet and you send people to that page, well, they are collecting all of those emails. So imagine you're spending your money to send traffic to this banner for your affiliate marketing program. You're spending your money and your time sending traffic, and that company is collecting that person's name, the lead's name, and their email address here. Well, here's what you do. You create a page like this. Someone puts their name and their email address in, and boom, it goes to your banner. But it starts here. You collect that name, collect that email. Now you're starting to build your own list of people you can market to anytime. And next I'm going to show you how to do that, how to market to people anytime while you spend, or should I say invest your time with your family. While you're with your family, you can be sending out emails. While you're on a beach in some other country or some other state, you can be sending out emails on autopilot for people that have shown an interest in whatever you're selling, be it flowers, be it tacos from a taco stand, be it tires, teddy bears, anything that you're selling online, anything you're promoting online, you can collect that name and that email and start sending out offers to people that have shown an interest in what you have. So let's say, for example, enter my name, enter a name, should I say, and put an email, James1@Yahoo. So what happens when I hit get instant access? Page you're looking for doesn't exist. I must have did something wrong on that page. But once that person hits instant access, it goes to a thank you page where you're saying, hey, thank you for landing on my flower. Thank you for landing on my page where I'm selling flowers, or whatever you're selling, whatever you're promoting. It's your own video of yourself telling your audience thank you, and then you send them to the next page when they click continue, and they go through the rest of the sales process and the rest of your sales funnel. Now let's take a look at the autoresponder and how I use an autoresponder. I use a company called aweber for my autoresponder. So I send out emails to people on my list, and so far currently I have a list of 15 emails that I send out every day. One email every day, and some I send out 2 days. Now here's the beauty of an autoresponder. So you get these emails. I'm pretty sure you've gotten emails in your inbox on a daily or every other day. You get emails, and you know that there's not actually a person actually sending these emails. A lot of them, like you've gotten those emails that says no need to respond, or don't respond to this email because we won't respond back. That's called an autoresponder. That's exactly what this is right here. Now here's the beauty of this autoresponder. When people get on your list, that landing page that I showed you, you start sending out these messages every day or every other day or once a week, and these can be deals. Let's say you have a flower shop. This can be a flower deal. This could be another deal, and you can set these things up. If you look right here, it says send immediately. This email goes out 2 days after the previous one, and this one goes out 2 days after that. And you can set this up to how whatever schedule you want these emails to go out. If there's a special you're running on Christmas Day, you can set up a whole entire email campaign just for Christmas Day. Here's some of my campaigns. These are different campaigns for different people, different niches that I'm involved with, different things that I do on the internet. So you can send these emails out. People start getting to know you, and before you know it, people start to respond to you, because as you send out these emails, you're developing a relationship with your audience, your potential customer, your leads, and you are not the person actually sending these emails out. You set them up in advance. You can set it up for 30 days, 60 days, have different emails going out, different specials going out. And that's how you set that up. That's how you work that, so that instead of giving that company, if you're an affiliate marketer, instead of giving that company all of your email names and email addresses from your leads, why don't you collect that lead and you build your own list? So let's say that company goes out of business, or they're unable. This has happened before. Some companies go out of business and not able to pay their affiliates, and they disappear. Well, if you don't have a list, your whole business disappears with that company. But if you have a list, an email list of names and emails, you're safe, and you can actually send out promotions to your people that are interested in whatever you're selling or promoting on the internet using aweber. And there's training videos here that shows you. There's the help section, different training videos that'll show you. How do I create an autoresponder? How do I send email newsletters? How do I put links in my emails? How do I add a form to my website? There's lots of different things you can do with aweber, and they have all the training videos you need as far as how to use it to reach your market, or to market continually to people that are interested in whatever you're selling or promoting. Next thing I want to show you is my blog and how I use my blog. Here's my blog. Let's see. Let's go to my blog. Here's how I go to my blog. I go here, my blog. This is a blogging platform that I use, and you don't need any kind of technical support. You don't need any kind of tech savvy in order to use this blog. All you have to do is get the blog. It's $25 a month. You don't need to know anything about being tech savvy. It's all self-explanatory. There's 8 training videos that comes along with it, and you can start blogging this within minutes. Here's one of some of my previous blog posts, and here's how I use the blog. This is my theme. This is my theme for the week.
What was that?
Sex, survival, and seclusion, part 3. This is our weekly theme for me and my wife. We started this new thing where we're doing weekly themes for our blog and for our audience. And this is the theme for this week. And the reason why we chose this theme is because it's eye-catching, it's interesting, and sex sells, period. Sex sells. And here's some of my stuff. Here's the Impact New Orleans. This is an event that I just went to a couple weeks ago. It was amazing. It was life-changing. It was transformational. We have another one coming up in Charlotte, North Carolina, in a couple weeks, and I will be there at that one as well. Well, here's how I use my blog. So what I'll do is I'll create a blog post, and at the end of that, what I'll do is I'll send my list here, people on my list here at aweber. I'll send people this blog. Whenever I make a blog post, I'll send it out to my list, and I also put a YouTube video on my blog post. And if you look at these things on the side, some banners that I have here, these banners. And you can use any kind of business. You can put your own business here, anything you want to use. These banners are sort of like billboards. So if you think of a billboard on the highway, billboards stand out. And you're counting on driving enough traffic to your blog to where there's going to be a certain number of people that stops and looks at your billboard. So this is sort of like, think of your blog as like a road, and these are some billboards, like this free video. See how this once homeless man went from broke to intern with top online earner with this secret simple three-step formula. Click the link below. Someone comes to your blog and they click this banner. But this banner could be anything. Let's say you have a WordPress blog and you're into golfing, and you have a banner on your blog, on your WordPress blog, right here that says how to golf like Tiger Woods or something like that. So let's say you're out in public, you're at a cigar bar, or you're at a bar, or you're in Walmart standing in line, and you hear some people talking, and you hear some people talking about golf, and you can say, oh, you're into golf? Well, go here. You say, go here. Well, right on my blog, there's something that will teach you how to have an excellent golf stroke. And so those people will be like, oh, really? And so they'll go to your blog, they'll check it out, they'll click on that banner, golfing like Tiger Woods, because these guys are into golf. And then it goes to the website where they can buy golf products. And when they buy those golf products, you're making money just like that. That's one way to use a blog. Another thing I use my blog for is I can add video. So I added a video here. Let's see. This post here. This one has a video, a YouTube video. So people, you can drive traffic to your blog and your YouTube channel simultaneously with a blog. With a blog. Here's the thing. When you have this aweber here, and you start building a list, what you want to do is you want to focus on, there's something called the hot dog stand concept. And what you want to do is you want to focus on people in the hot dog stand. Now I do different traffic strategies to buy traffic to my blogs, my YouTube videos. I know how to get them ranked in Google. But when we're referring to the hot dog stand, you want to focus on people that are on your list. So a lot of the videos that I make are geared toward people that are already on my email list, people that already have opted into my list, and they're already interested in what I'm selling or what I'm promoting. And so you focus on those people with your blog, and you just focus on those people, and then while at the same time driving traffic to your squeeze pages. So your squeeze page is where you collect the email. Your blog is where you start building a relationship and a community with people that are interested in whatever you're selling or promoting. And you can also use Google+. You can post your blog post here on Google+. Here's my profile, 82 followers, 13,000 views. That's how I use the landing pages. That's how I use the autoresponder, and that's how I use my blog to create income on the internet. And if you're new and you're just learning, you're just getting started, these are some of the tools that we use as internet marketers to create income. So we're building our list. The number one thing you want to do is you want to build your list using landing pages. And once you start getting people on your list, you want to constantly send offers to people on your list. You're like a personal Groupon. You're sending out offers constantly to people that get on your list that are interested in what you have to sell. If you're an author, this right here can be something about a new book that you have coming out, a new book promotion. Hey, get on my new book list. I'm going to send updates for what's going on with the book, and people can get on your newsletter, different things like that. So this is just a training. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the over my shoulder portion of the video boot camp that I have put together mainly for people on my list, but I'm just now making it available for a limited time to the public as well. And I'm going to have a link actually in this YouTube Google Hangout video. I'll have a link to where you can actually see my free internet marketing boot camp, where I go through some other I go further in detail on landing pages, autoresponders, blogs, and other things that will help you in your business. And it doesn't matter what type of business you're in, doesn't matter what you're promoting, you can use these strategies. So I hope this was useful to you guys. I thank you for joining me tonight. there's a link in the end of at the bottom in the video description. I have a link to where you can actually get my video boot camp. And also I'll send out some links to my blog as well. And I have lots of training items on my blog. If you look over here in this section, this column, I have internet marketing strategies, internet traffic formula, make money online. Lots of stuff in my blog, lots of content. Feel free to stop by and just dig in to some of this content here. You'll learn something. And I just once again, thank you guys for coming out. Hope you got something out of this. I hope you got some value out of this. And I hope to hear from you. Hope to see you soon. Thanks again. Barry J. Solomon signing off.